Are you tired of endless swiping and awkward encounters on dating apps that just don't get you? Searching for the best dating apps for lesbians and queer women in 2025 can be a real challenge, with straight people invading your space or seeing the same old exes pop up repeatedly. But fear not, because we've scoured the digital landscape to bring you the ultimate guide to finding love, friendship, or even just a fun night out, specifically tailored for the queer community this year. We found some truly surprising options and unearthed key features that will change your dating game. Don't wait to find your perfect match. Check out the links in the description to try these apps right away. Number 1. Her. This is the groundbreaking app by and for queer women, boasting over 15 million users worldwide and creating a strong sense of community alongside dating opportunities. It's truly a game changer for genuine connections in 2025. Number 2. Hinge. Known for its focus on designed to be deleted, Hinge offers robust filters to match with people of the same gender, making it a fantastic choice for those seeking more serious, meaningful relationships. Number 3. Bumble. This empowering app puts women in control by requiring them to make the first move, and with its excellent same-gender filters, it's a perfect space for queer women looking for new connections. Number 4. OkCupid. A pioneer in inclusive dating, OkCupid goes beyond gender filters, acknowledging diverse relationships like polyamory, ensuring you find someone who truly aligns with your unique preferences. Number 5. Tinder. While often seen as a general hookup app, Tinder remains a top pick for casual connections and is widely used by queer women, offering a vast user base for quick and easy meetups if that's what you're after. These platforms offer diverse ways for LGBTQ women to connect and thrive in the dating world of 2025. Make this the year you find exactly what you're looking for with these amazing queer dating apps.